Hey guys, thank you so much for 20 subscribers. That means a lot to me. So yeah, here you go. 5 seconds of this. Enjoy my video and you rock. Shout out to Kid Travis Official for the song. Please don't copyright me. Okay.
Listen, see you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Tension between us just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no. No. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you now. Listen, hard at building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get even.
Yeah, this is where
don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you now. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you now. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you now. I've been down so long it looked like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me, straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. I've been down so long it looked like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me, straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. Something ain't right when we talking. Something ain't right when we talking. It look like you hiding your problems. Really, you never was solving. No, you can't sun me. You won't ever get to run me. Just know when I gotta reach, I reach back like 1-3. Like 1-3, yeah. That's when they smile in my face. Whole time they wanna take my place. Whole time they wanna take my place. Whole time they wanna take my place. Yeah, I know they wanna take my place. I can tell that love is fake, yeah. I don't trust the words you say. How you wanna click up after your mistakes? Look you in the face and it's just not the same. I've been down so long it looked like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me, up to my face. Straight up to my face. I've been down so long it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face, trying to play it safe. Vibe switch like 9-day, I can see it like right away. I came up, you changed up, I caught that whole play. Since things never been the same. That's when they smile at me.